7. I have total 7. So the goal to hopefully complete the collections and get all the chaser. So let's see. Hi everyone, welcome back to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve and Uncle Don's right there. So we are totally dressed very casual because end of the night, but we are very urged to do this video. And the reason why is, let me just show you, okay? If you know, you know. We are going to do unboxing of the 9 Minutes Before Christmas mystery box. This is the most highly anticipated mystery box. And they are total, hold on, let me count. There are total 10 pens, mystery pens in here. And I believe there are 4 chaser. And then I believe that the 4 chaser, they only made 300 pieces each. And we have 7 of this. So we're gonna, wait, I hope I have 7 of this. We just received a box. So anyway, let's get started this video. If you like Disney content, definitely follow us over here. Turn on notification bell so you know time and day we release our video. And let's get started. Before we do the mystery box, I want to show you. Hold on, I haven't seen this yet. So we're gonna show you the regular pins, or not regular, the limited edition 9 Minutes Before Christmas pin. This is the Walt Disney Imagineering exclusive pins, and that's Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte. I don't think she want to be here. Okay, Uncle Don, take a look of this. Whoa, it's a Santa and the 3 kidnapper. Be careful, this thing's really close that. Nice, huh?
Oh, very nice.
Very, very nice. They actually total 6 style, but I was only able to get 4. And the other 2, they sold out so quickly. And we have the mayor. You know the mayor rotate the face. And they are LE 300. So it's a very thick pen, so you can see that. And just different layer to it. So I love this type of pen. They're just so nice. The 2 that we did not get, I'll try to put photo here, is the Oogie Boogie and Santa Claus. It is Jack. Oh, I like it. There's a, I think he's staying in front of some kind. What kind of building is that in the background? I think it's a house, something like that.
That's the crypt.
Oh, okay. So these are not mystery. You can just purchase that, and very, very nice. And now we are going to open 7. I have total 7. So the goal to hopefully complete the collections and get all the chaser. So let's see. The Nightmare Before Christmas mystery pen collections, total 10 pens plus 4 chaser, and the limited pen is a limited edition of a 400. So let's open this up, see what we get. I'm very excited about this. I love the cover box. I want to save this. So let's open this up. 0. It's a 0. So cute. This, I think this is one the little kid that kidnapped the Santa. Okay. So Uncle Don, when you collect this type of mystery box, are you the person that would take time slowly to complete your collection, or you want to get it done today?
Slowly.
I want to get it done now.
No patience.
No patience. Mayor! This is the mayor. I know one of the chaser, the mayor's face is white. And the chaser is only 300 made. Very, very cute. We got one chaser. It is the Jack Santa Claus. So you see here, you don't see this on the listing, right? So this is the chaser. So that's chaser.
Wow.
Mel, he opened his. He got 4. I think 3 chasers gonna cost. I think the quality is so nice. I love it. Oh, Oogie Boogie. I want to make sure it's, yep, this is not, and I believe this light up at nighttime too. We got one Oogie Boogie.
They look like babies.
They're baby. They're cute. We got this evil kid. Yes, he's not chaser. He's in
You
here.
haven't got a duplicate
Oh,
yet.
don't say that. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh gosh. Okay.
What?
Thanks to Uncle Don. Oogie Boogie. So put a double down here. Thanks, Uncle Don. You just have to say that, right?
Well,
Don't say anymore. We have 3 more boxes left. Oh, good. Sally. So cute. Look at that. Sally. Another Oogie Boogie. So Uncle Don gonna open one up to see how we're doing. This is so cute. I think I can make this to an ornament or something. Right? I put on a Christmas tree. Super cute. The doctor. So let me see who we're missing here. We're missing one kid with horn. And we're missing, no, we already have that. We already have this already. So how many do we have? 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We are too short to complete the sets. Let's just get it this time. No, another kid with a witch hat. Oh, I think I know what this is. 0. Okay, so we only got 1 chaser. Anyway, so I just want to show you what we got today. I'm still very excited about this. And this is the complete, this is what we have. We're missing 2. And what we miss is the Santa Claus. And then the little kid right here with the horn. That's what's missing here. And we got 1 chaser, is this one right here. All right, let me know what you think about this. And I will want to do a little preview. Uncle Don and I made our very first big purchase of somebody's portfolio. We bought an entire book, and we're gonna make a video very soon to show you guys what we purchased. Very excited about that. All right, so make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel over here. Turn on the bell so you know the time and day we release a video. And check out my skincare brand, Yibu Beauty. We're launching a brand new Enchanting Blue Refining Face Mask. And use my discount code STEVE15 to get 15% off. Or you can join Yibu Beauty community, then you get 50% off on your first purchase, $30 or more. Great value. See you next time. Bye.
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening. Aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.